So now that we've made a simple form, we've gone and collected some data. Some people have entered their information. So now it's a good idea to go and view the responses. This takes you to the spreadsheet that is attached to the form. So I'm going to rename this spreadsheet Practice Form because I always want to associate it with the practice form. Okay, so now that I can see the data, what it might be good to do now is look at summary of responses. This is an easy way to analyze the data at a glance because Google Forms turns your data into pie charts. So I can see how my students did on the questions. What is your favorite color? What color is the sky? And what color are your eyes? It also shows the number of daily responses. So this is a very easy way to check for understanding. You have a few questions at the beginning of your class or the end of your class. You can see whether your students understand the question, comprehend the question. So now let's go and see if we want to grade this. So to grade this, I am going to install Flubaroo. Before I do that though, I'm going to make an answer key because I need an answer key to grade it. So I'll call this form answer key, and I'll say your favorite color is blue. That's my favorite color. What color is the sky? Blue. And what color are your eyes? I'll say, well, my eyes are blue. So blue is the correct answer. I submit that. And now I go back to edit mode. See, I have the answer key down here. And once I have an answer key, I can go up to insert, and then I can insert Flubaroo. Flubaroo is a script, and it's a really helpful script that will grade multiple choice quizzes for me. So I type in Flubaroo, I push install. Takes a few seconds to install. And it needs an authorization to run, so I say continue. It's going to ask me know who I am on Google. I'm going to accept that. Okay, so it says it's installed. I close this and I look up here and I can see Flubaroo. It's installed. So I click on Flubaroo and I say grade the assignment. Step 1. First name and last name. I'm not going to grade those. They identify the student. What is your favorite color? These are my questions. I'm going to just make them 1 point each. Continue. Step 2, I need to find the answer key. So helpfully, I've put the answer key down here and named it answer key. So I click on that. That's going to be what the Flubaroo script uses to grade everything. So this can take a little while. If you have a lot of submissions, it might take several minutes. Now I want to view the grades. Click View the Grades, and I can see each of my students here. I can see what percentage they got correct. And the scores below 70 are in red, so that alerts you that those students had trouble on the quiz. And the questions that are low scoring will be in orange. So you can see that 2 of the questions on this quiz were very low scoring questions. You may want to go back and fix those questions, or you may want to not grade that. That's up to you. and you can see that Flubaroo has created a new sheet on the spreadsheet. I can go back to the original student submissions here, and then I can also click on grades to see their percentage grade. So Flubaroo is very easy to use. It works best for multiple choice quizzes.